Want to know how to customize your ShopWired store footer? Stick with me, and I'll show you how easy it is to transform your footer into a customized, professional looking part of your store that aligns perfectly with your brand. First off, the footer might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a powerful tool for adding useful information, improving navigation, and even increasing conversions. So, let's dive into how you can make your ShopWired store footer work for you. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your ShopWired dashboard. This is where you'll be able to control everything, including your footer customization. Once you're in, find the Settings tab, and within that, you'll see the Footer section. This is your starting point. Next thing, you'll want to look at the footer structure. By default, ShopWired gives you a basic layout with a few links. This is a great starting point, but you'll likely want to add your personal touch. ShopWired offers a drag and drop editor, so customizing your footer layout is simple. You can add text, links, images, or even contact details depending on your needs. This is where you can make your store's footer stand out. The third thing is making your footer more functional with links. For example, adding links to your contact page, privacy policy, or even your social media accounts is a smart move. It's essential to give your customers easy access to these details, and ShopWired lets you set up these links with just a few clicks. Don't forget to include links to your most important pages for better user navigation and experience. Next, consider the design and styling. If you want your footer to match your store's branding, ShopWired lets you adjust the colors, fonts, and overall look of your footer. Keep in mind that consistency across your store is key for building trust with your customers, so make sure the footer design complements your store's overall aesthetic. The fifth thing to consider is mobile optimization. Most people are shopping on mobile devices, so you need to make sure your footer looks just as good on smaller screens. With ShopWired, you don't need to worry much about this, as the platform automatically adjusts the layout for mobile. But if you want to fine-tune it, you can make specific adjustments in the editor. Now, what if you want more control over the footer's design? That's where the custom code feature comes in. If you're comfortable with HTML and CSS, ShopWired gives you the ability to inject custom code into your footer. This opens up endless possibilities for advanced customization. Lastly, let's talk about the footer's purpose. It's not just a place for links, it's an opportunity to convert customers. Some businesses use their footer to add special offers, email signups, or even display trust badges. With ShopWired, you can easily add these elements, helping you convert visitors into paying customers. Before we wrap up, I want to mention something really important. If you're looking for other options beyond ShopWired for your store footer customization, I've got you covered. There are some amazing alternatives out there that not only offer extensive customization options, but also come with extended free trials, allowing you to explore before committing. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the full guide in the description for more in-depth tutorials.